Welcome to Silent Solution. Today we're RSC another the playbook, right? And look like exam preparation. This is a question solve for this is my Silent Solution. Here is a redhat exam preparation, RSC preparation. Here is my playbook. You can see I think have many video. Here is idea. First playbook how to write. This have any class related many video. I think you have many idea here. Let's go. First of all, we are see our uh, first of all see our worker to have a SDB 3 GB. We are create our look like get to MB budget module. This is a question and partition this 2 MB. How to solve this issue? Let's go. First of all, we are LPM. This is my solution question here. First of all, we are how to fast playbook write this channel have. We can see I have you have many idea this playbook say. This is my playbook. There is many playbook write first playbook write, second playbook write. There is many video. Let's go. First of all, we write our commands. Let's go. First playbook ansible playbook LPM. Just try to dry run or dry run means okay. We are checking no just we are now write our playbook, push our playbook. Yeah, let's go. Clear. Now we'll see again. Dry run add a command. Yeah, created is 200 MB. Also, we are see our have yeah our is done. This is my question solved. Thanks for watching.